consumed whole. They must head for dry land, but to get there, they must cross a killing zone, haunted by giant leeches. Some are 15 centimeters long, and they have an appetite for baby toads. They hunt using a keen sense of smell and 5 pairs of eyes. The toadlets must keep going if they want to reach the woods. If they're not quick enough, their fate is grim, consumed whole. Once caught, a toadlet has no escape. But for everyone that is taken, hundreds make it to the safety of the woods.